So let us open our project. So this is our login form and we will add a link button. We can also use a simple button, but we can also use a link button. For that we have to add another page. So right click, add new item and a web form. I will name it as change pass. That is change password, whatever we can name. Next we have to give postback URL of link button to the page that we just added. That is change pass. We just have to click and OK. Now in change pass we are going to add a label so that whoever first logins we can easily understand the name, means we can give a message. This we have also seen before. Welcome and the session name. Dot toString. Now first let us see the values which we have entered in the table. So just we have to right click on the table name and show table data. So we can see all the values. So first now login. We have seen the email and the password, so we'll enter it correctly. So first we have to successfully log in and then only we can move to change password. So this is such a simple page. So for this message first we have to log in it successfully to some other page. Now we will add a table. Before that the session which we passed here, okay, so where that came from, that is from the login page itself. Now we will add a table. I will take here 5 rows and 2 columns. So at the left side we will add label. We will need here 3 labels, and in front of that 3 text boxes. Button to submit, and we will take 1 label for the message. We will change the label as text as enter the current password. Next, for entering your new password, and the last one will be to confirm your password. So now we will change the text box ID first as txt password. This must be the same as in the login for text box of password. Next, txt n password, that is for the new password which we will enter, and txt c password, that is for confirming the password. Next, button btn submit is the id, and we'll change the text as submit. Okay, next the label text will remove it as we doesn't need that. Okay, and we can change the labels id as lbl message. We'll write here now. Okay, let us move it to the center. Now the code starts here. Double click on the submit button. First, the connection is important. We'll add the connection. This is simple. Just what is your database name, you have to click on it, and just you have to copy the connection string and paste it. Now we will open the con, that is con.open. We will add a string. In that we will write the query. So here my table name is login table. Where condition is necessary, where password is equals to txt password, and this the main thing we are going to write in single quote, double plus, then double quote and single quote. Between that we have to write. Okay, so next is the command, SQL command. cmd is equals to new SQL command. In that we will pass str, that is the string which we created above, and the connection that we opened, con. Next is the data reader to read what we have entered. Okay, for that we need execute reader. Here is the condition. If dr.read, then same as the above code is, we have to use the same code as connection, but the objects which we are going to create will be something different. Now here the connection is same for the database, so we'll just copy and paste it. Now here con1 we have created the object for the connection, so that only we are going to use, and the string name also must be the different. Now here query will be of the update table, correct? Because in the above we have selected the old password, that is password, and now we are going to update that password. So we are going to set the password as txtn password, that is the new password which we will enter it into it. Okay, so where condition, where old password, right? So instead of this old password we are going to enter, we are going to confirm our new password. Fine. Next, command. So here we'll pass the string which we created just now, that is string 1 and con1. And cmd1 dot execute non-query. Now the label which we have took before, what the message we have to print, will write here. You can write any message. I am writing as password has changed successfully. And the connections which we have opened, we have to close it. So con.close and con1.close. Yeah, that's the code finished. Now before running, let us see the data in the table. See the password. It is something 321. Okay. First we have to log in and then only we can turn to change password. Here now they are asking for the current password, so we'll enter. Next is the new password which we want and then submit. We also got the successful message. So let us see. We can see 1, 2, 3 successfully changed. Now the plus point is that we will add here validator. So we will add a compare validator here. As we can see, now the error message we will enter as password did not match or password does not match. Correct? We want the new password and confirm password must be same. So here the plus point is that you can also learn about the compare validator. So we will give the control to validate to the confirm password and we have to compare it with the new password. Correct? So control to compare to txt n password, that is the new password, right? That's all. Now let us run and view. So for seeing to the password, there is one more video. Link will be shown to you in the description box. Okay. So we'll enter a wrong or different password. Correct? You can see the message came. So that is the use of compare validator. Now we will enter the correct password as above and we have changed it. We will also see in the SQL, that is in the form of right clicking on the table and show table data. We will view there. So you can see it is changed.